moral and ethical consideration. Then the positive constitutional limit. Nigeria Constitution prioritizes secular statutory law, potentially limiting Sharia application. This tension raises questions about the role of religion in law and balance between individual rights and communal values. How constitutional supremacy mediates conflict between moral norms and statutory provisions. Constitutional supremacy in Nigeria mediates conflict between moral norms and statutory provisions by 1. Establishing hierarchy. 2. Protecting fundamental rights. 3. Guiding interpretation. Under the establishing hierarchy, the Constitution prevails over other law, ensuring consistency. So, the Constitution is above all other law. At the extreme end, it is a Constitution that is going to be consulted to know what the Constitution says. The government has drafted the Constitution, and Constitution supersedes any other law. Protecting fundamental rights, which is number 2. This one safeguards individual rights and freedom. By the time the Constitution is consulted, what the law says will come to prevail. From there, you know who is guilty, who is right. Then number 3, guiding interpretation. Courts interpret laws in line with constitutional values and principles. So this framework helps balance moral norms with statutory provisions, ensuring that laws align with constitutional standards. The following question now came on board. 1. Do customary and Sharia courts rely more on natural law principles? This is the answer. Customary and Sharia courts in Nigeria often rely more on natural law principles, as these systems are rooted in traditional practices, cultural norms, and Islamic ethics. Key points. Customary courts. Customary courts apply customary law, considering community norms and moral principles. Sharia courts. This is based on Islamic law, emphasize moral and ethical considerations guiding decisions. Natural law influence. Both systems incorporate principles of justice, fairness, and morality, aligning with natural law. For example, in Sharia courts, judges, which is the alkalis, apply Islamic law, considering the Prophet's teachings and moral principles, reflecting natural law influences. Point 2. In practice, this means customary and Sharia courts often prioritize community values and moral considerations over strict statutory interpretations, blending natural law principles with legal decisions making. Number 2, question that was raised is, how do appellate courts resolve conflicts between customary morality and statutory legality? Appellate court in Nigeria resolves conflict between customary morality and statutory legality by 1. Applying constitutional principles. By applying constitutional principles, this means ensuring decisions align with the constitutional values and principles. Number 2, considering customary law. By this, recognizing the validity of customary law while ensuring it does not contravene statutory law or public policy. Number 3, balancing competing interests. Weighing community norms and moral principles against statutory provisions. For example of the key cases. Case number 1, Mozie versus Mbato in 2009. The Court of Appeal grappled with customary law and statutory law in a land dispute between Mozie and Mbato in 2009. Second case is Umoru versus Muazu, 2012. The court applied Sharia law considering Islamic principles in a divorce case. Number three questions that was raised is this: does Nigerian pluralism intensify or resolve the positivism natural law tension? This is the answer. Nigerian pluralism intensifies the positivism natural law tensions as multiple legal systems coexist, each with distinct philosophies and principles. Below are the key points. A. Diverse legal system. B. Conflicting